waste valuable time and resources every day in managing routine activities that are handled faster and more efficiently by properly designed autonomic systems. One of the major driving factors in the move toward autonomic business processes and systems is the bandwidth explosion. And it's not just the tremendous increase in wired communications, it's also the wireless communications capabilities that are really leading us ahead in this area. We're already migrating rapidly from 802.11b to 802.11g, and with a 5 times increase in communication speed in local wireless networks. But with the WiMAX standard coming out, products starting to come out by the end of this year, we'll see not only another doubling in communication speed to 100 megabits per second, but more importantly, we'll see an increase in the effective range of your wireless network from 50 meters to 30 miles. And the ability to communicate with vehicles moving at up to 70 miles an hour. That means that distributors will be able to stay in touch with their entire local fleet on their own internal wireless network. So what does this mean? What does the bandwidth explosion mean to us as business people? The easier it is to communicate, the faster change happens. Every time in history, there is an improvement in the technology with which ideas and people come together. Major change ensues. Think about it. The Greek alphabet brought about philosophy, logic, and the democratic process. The printing press generated the entire scientific revolution. And the telegraph brought modern business methods into being and held global empires together. But never have we had a more significant increase in our ability to bring people and ideas together than that engendered by the advent of the internet and the related technologies in just the last few years. And yet we have only barely begun to scratch the surface of the business innovations that will result. And the old idea of we've got a hard wall between us and our trading partners is fading fast. All information is going to be expected to be in real time, and the traditional supply chain is going to be replaced, is being replaced by a much more interactive supply and demand chain. In order to survive, there's a few imperatives. You have got to collaborate increasingly with your suppliers, customers, and partners. You've got to maintain a high level of agility in response to a rapidly changing business environment. You've got to bring more products and customer-oriented services to market more quickly. You've got to continue to differentiate yourself from the competition through innovative new products and processes. And while doing all of these other things, continue to increase the productivity of your people.